So I just talked about the pointers that will help you in adopting fitness. Now I'll talk about fitness templates. So fitness templates can become your fitness plans if you modify them as per your goals and start following them. Creating and following that fitness plan is very important from a routine perspective, and if you have certain goals, you will be able to achieve them. Now, before I introduce you to the fitness templates, there are certain points that you need to keep in mind. It is very important to assess yourself from a fitness level perspective. Try and gauge if you're a starter or you have been into fitness for some time. This will help you in deciding the intensity and the effort you need to put into the workouts. Also, this will help in avoiding injuries and will also help in building muscles and stamina at the same time. The second point is that you need to try and see if you have a fitness goal like weight loss, running a half marathon, or gaining lean muscle mass. Having a fitness goal will help you get started in the short term, and when you achieve that fitness goal, you can even try and alter it. That way, you will be able to sustain your fitness efforts as well without getting burnt out. Starting slow is the key to avoiding injuries and preparing your body for the grind. Now, before doing the main workout, try and do some warm-up. This will help the body be ready for the main grind, and from a long-term perspective, progressively overload the muscles. This will help the muscles adapt to the change and will also help in building up your stamina. It would be easier for you to adopt a fitness-oriented lifestyle if you are active in general. So even if you're not exercising, try and stay active throughout the day. Walk, climb stairs, do some stretches. Try and tell yourself that movement is the minimum basic requirement for the body. The human body has been built for movement. Mixing cardio and strength training will give you a killer combo of fat burn and muscle buildup. This is very important from a sustainable fitness perspective. Even the fitness templates that I'm going to show you, they're going to combine cardio and strength training for maximum benefit. And finally, give your body time to recover post a good workout session. A good rest is a 7 to 8 hour sleep every night, including at least one rest day in the week. A rest day is basically when your body and muscles don't go through the grind of a vigorous workout. This gives the body and the muscles ample time to recover and build. Now here I'm going to show you 3 fitness templates based on the fitness levels which are beginner, intermediate and advanced. These fitness templates have been prepared by keeping in mind a 2-week time frame. So you need to follow this plan for at least 2 weeks and then repeat again for the next 2 weeks for at least 3 months before graduating to the next fitness level.